we are all set to go. Everything is ready. So si Uncle nagdala lang sa mga gamit, no? And we are good. We will already spend our 7 days sa summer house. So see you when we get there. We are ready. So let's go. The car is full. Full pack.
Belly is full.
Yeah, he made some chicken soup before we left the house. Can I have some green? It's cool. Bebe! It's good. No, if you will put it like this, look. Aye. So we are just waiting. And then we'll drive already. It will take us at least an hour, 50 minutes to get there. So the time right now is 1:45. So we'll update before we get there or when we get
Around
there.
3:30.
No camera, Uma is talking. I'm not sure if I will film so much because we are together with his brother, but we'll try. So we are just waiting. We are here already. Yay! Oh, I'm tired.
The blankets and pillows.
We are already here, and it's super quiet. This is actually like summer houses area, but since it's not summer yet, so maybe that's why there's not really much people here. But yeah, you could just really see it's going to be a very quiet 7 days here. Yeah. Nakatulog ba ako, no? Pagpaingon na mo diri niya. Nakamata ko kay gipuka ko ni Uncle kay na ako no deer sa dalan. So naniguro siya og dala sa akong yuk, no, nga gamay. Kay hadlok siguro siya nga layon ko. Pero I don't know if I could actually vlog so much. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Baby, this is beautiful. And I could just pick up some wood from there, baby, to make fire.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Uy, nindot kayo siya. Tanawa, bagol na, oh. Nasa yung mga bagol-bagol, no? Bagol-bagol. Nasa yung bagol, oh. Para sa langgam. Oh my gosh, it's cold, though. Even though the sun is out, it's still cold. So this is how it looks like. Look at this. What do you call this one, baby? Sauna. Sauna? Yeah. Yeah, my gosh, this is really like... I like this one! Wow!
And look at the view.
So this is where we're gonna sleep.
Look at the view.
Mo niya mong view, no?
The view right out to this forest.
Yeah, oh my gosh, baby, this is so cool! Yee! And this is the living room. Wow. Das muna sa gawas, no? Dako kayo siya, no? As in, dako kayo siya. Nindot kayo siya. O, pwede rin ko mangawat dira og kahoy, no? Kay maghaling ta karon taud-taud. So, diri ang parking. Naapad sa lay uling para kung magsugba. Very good kayo. And this one. Nice. And the car. So, you can walk here in the forest if you want. Tugnaw pa siya, uy. Bisag na alay sandali karon. Tugnaw gihapon siya. So, oh. Aha. So na siya sapa-sapa, no? Turo. Uy,
You can hear the water bubbling. The current.
Yeah. This is nice. Tugnaw. Tugnaw siya, tugnaw. Mga huy ko dari unya, no? Kay maghaling ko sa gawas kay para init-init gamay ba. I am making up a bed. So, humana. Ay, ganun kay ko.
So now I'm ready to work.
Hello, good morning mga auntie. Look at this. Yes, this is where we sleep and yeah, I'm so happy. Can you hear the birds? I woke up hearing the birds chirping and akong uncle, nagtrabaho siya karon no. Sila duha sa iyang igsuon. So, naghonghong ko no. Kaya sila sa gawas no, nag-meeting sila mga trabaho. So, I'm just here in a room. Ipakita na mo sa view sa gawas ha. Wait. And there's my coffee. Still warm. Ay, lami kayo akong tulog mga auntie. Sus, grabe ka lami akong tulog. Kaya lami kayo ang bed. Anya, we opened the window. So, presko kayong hangin, no? But I think I'm going out in a little bit. Kay lisod kay diri mag-istorya no sa sulod kay naay sila meetings sa Skype. So, I'm going for a walk after nako mga pi. Mamahos ako daan no kay tugnaw sa gawas. Okay. Dami kayong pamati. Nindot kayo ang kanang kuan lighting diri sa room. So, mga pita mga auntie, good morning sa tanan. No, actually, I've been awake from 2 hours ago. I joined Tunes for Was Live. So, happy birthday ni mo, auntie. Oh, yeah. Di ko sure na kung makalive ko, no? Kay di ko gusto makakause of disturbance. Naman ko nang gimiting, no? Naglibog ko ako mag-plastar. Lamig kay kape. Okay, mga auntie. Karon taon-taon. Let me think about it. Okay? Hello mga auntie, I am back. Naman akong live ganina no. Lagot kung may tinukay. Sige siya nagipatay akong live. Wa akong nalipay na mga natug ko. Karfa ko kamata na alas 5 na. Ay, dali ra kayong adlaw uy. My whole day is all gone. As inahurot na akong adlaw no. Gitugra na ako jud siya. Nya matug ko so sugod na pod ano nya na pagong mata.
Close by.
Oh really?
Like
Where?
15 minutes away.
Can we go?
Yeah. Not today, but tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. So you're just swinging here
And
outside.
that's also where I want to fish.
Oy. Okay, he's been working
We
the whole
don't-
day and
we
I
don't
have
need
been
wells.
laying in bed the whole day.
We don't need wells for that place.
And I think I'm gonna make some fire today. We'll see.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Why she's farting so much?
No, I think my gosh. Bebe, stop! Aish. Why is he so annoying?
Do it with this one also.
Bebe, oh my
No, no,
god,
no.
I will stop ba! I will fall, Aish. Islito
You
na ko
see
na
what
mong
she do to
itlog.
me? You see what she do to me? Oh, you don't see it. Because it's outside the camera.
Islito na ko na mong itlog.
Yeah, exactly like that.
Kiki. Bebe. Bebe. Oh, brr. Sunset. That's beautiful. Oh, you could really see it. Hello mga auntie. Lami kayong sunset, oy. Oo. Siga kayong sun. So, naghimo ramig ko ano, food for dinner. There's nothing much today, actually. I was in bed almost whole day after my live. Nga sabotage ni Lulu, no? Sige niyag patio, no? So after that, I just sleep the whole day. And now it's already 6:30, very soon. So we're just making some dinner, and then after dinner, I think we're going to go get some groceries. So yeah, nothing much, nothing much. Relax lang kayo diri. Kasi nang langgam sa jud. Let's check the lasagna. We are making lasagna. So let's go in. Oops. Uncle is there. That's the lasagna.
Hello! I look so weird now. I look so bold. Ow!
Sorry. Nindot kayo ni siya nga summer house. Chill raming uncle. And look at that, oh. Ang atop. Ang atop. Ay, bebe! Ang atop ito kay Kuan. Bangag. So makita ni mo ang mga star sa langit, no? Paggabi.
No. I love you, baby.
Jag ska se Kjellner. Så
Next sound na may mga auntie, no? Sana si Uncle, oh. Hi, Uncle! So, namin bubble bath. Then, shower kami. Then, sauna. Dalawang ka masutulog, no? At mainitan ko na yung mga itlog. Oh my God! Init. Ayo. Hindi ka na ako nag-anhidri, no? Diba pa siya? Init kayo. As in, mga, oh my God. Super kainit to, as in. Basta marag, naluto na akong mga bukog, no? Yung gawas na. So, and then, water lang na ako ng isa, no? Kay, hindi pa bukalan pa. Hindi pa siya pwede kaunon kay gabi pa. So, yeah. I'm lami kayong pamating mo, nakatulog ko ng lami mga ante. Kanya na po na ka mag-ilis ako.
The audience to clap. So when it lights up, then they have to clap.
You're just watching television.
Kan du look into the better so? Ja, shukran. Tack.
Good night, everybody.